Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to assign account numbers in QuickBooks Online using the new interface. This helps you organize your chart of accounts and makes reporting much easier. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your QuickBooks Online account. Make sure you're on the company you want to work with. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner. This is your settings menu. Under Your Company, click Account and Settings. Here's where we'll turn on account numbers. Click on the Advanced tab on the left side. Scroll down to Chart of Accounts and you'll see Account Numbers. Click Edit, then turn it on and hit Save. Now go back to the gear icon and under Your Company, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts live. Find an account you want to number, click Edit, and type a number in the Account Number field. You can follow a simple numbering system, like 1,000 for cash, 2,000 for accounts payable, 3,000 for income, etc. Then hit Save and Close. Repeat for each account. Once all numbers are assigned, your chart of accounts will show the numbers next to each account. This makes it easier to sort and manage your accounts. And that's it! Now you know how to assign account numbers in QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. Thanks for watching.